Welcome back to the chaotic kitchen, my friends. Today, we're gonna be making a really easy 4-ingredient thing.
Today's gonna be really simple. We're gonna make a thing. It's cheese bark. You know bark. It's like chocolate and nuts, maybe some candy cane if it's Christmas. But that's all sweet. What if you're in the mood for savory bark? That's what we're gonna find out today with cheesy bark. It's 4 ingredients, dumb easy. It's perfect for when it's 3 in the morning and you are maybe not sober and you really need a snack. So, okay, the base of our bark is gonna be a cheese crisp. Get some cheese and we're gonna grate it in 1 even layer onto this parchment paper. Now we could totally stop there, but then it would just be a cheese crisp, and sweet bark isn't just chocolate because then it would just be a chocolate bar, right? So we're gonna spruce it up a little bit. First thing, we're gonna get some sun-dried tomatoes. Throw them wherever. There! And now we need some more color. So we're gonna put it up with we're gonna green onion this thing. Now that's 3 ingredients, but I said 4. We're gonna put some chili flake on here. Now, if you're not a fan of spicy food, it's okay. We've all been there. We've all realized the hard way that the green bean on your plate at the Thai restaurant is not really a green bean. Ugh. But just give it a shot. Trust me, I've never tried this before, but it's gonna be good. The sprinkling, and then we're gonna bake it at 425 for I don't know. Just keep an eye on it, and when it starts to bubble, but it's not burnt, then we take it out. See? Quick and easy. This took 14 minutes, but your mileage may vary depending on the thickness of your cheese, the kind of cheese. If you're using a different kind of cheese, follow the recipe. Jeez. Now we have to let it cool a little bit because bark is broken into weird shapes. But right now it's pretty flimsy, so we gotta let it chill out. I think it's cool enough to break. Seems to be folding. Maybe you have to rip it. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's like pull and peel. This could be a great party activity. Gather around, everybody. We're gonna rip apart the cheese. Okay, I don't know if it's from the cheese or if it's the fact that those sun-dried tomatoes were in olive oil, but it's very oily. And there you have it. A late night, 4-ingredient, really easy, satisfying thing to eat. Yeah. Well, that's good. It's crunchy, it's cheesy, it's tomatoey. Could use a little bit more spice. It's oniony, it's barky. I mean, if you looked at this and compared it to peppermint bark, could you tell the difference? No. So there you have it. Savory bark. Anybody can make it. You can make it. Your neighbor can make it. Your dog can make it. I'll see you next week. This was simple. You follow me on Instagram @Aaron's Bakery. Stay happy. Have a wonderful week.
Okay!